everyone, Laurel Mintz here, GP of Fabric VC. I want to talk to you about our unique diligence process at Fabric. We have a lot of founders that come to us and ask us how we approach the diligence process. Our investors obviously want to know this as well, and we have a very unique approach that I'm going to share with you today. So we basically split our diligence into two groupings. One is the marketing diligence side, and that's really what we believe makes us unique in our category. That's what we call the Fabric thread count, because we had to be clever because we're marketers. And in the Fabric thread count, we literally take prospective portcos through the roadmap process. So we're looking at whether the numbers are real or not. How far are they from their direct and aspirational competitors, which should tell us if our check's gonna help meaningfully close that gap. Simultaneously, on the other side, we have to do all of the traditional diligence, financial diligence, founder diligence, all the qual-quant analysis that we need to understand if this company is and can be successful. Do we see them hitting that $100 million mark, which is, really what we're looking for. Our company's scalable. And so we're partnering with a third-party platform called Capizate. They're an amazing diligence team, and they have really helped us to separate these two experiences in a meaningful way for us as a first-time GP. You all know that I am not a finance person. I am about the fundraising, the relationships, the marketing, and the deal flow. And it's really important to hire for things that you're not great at. So we've got a whole IC investment committee team that reviews all of the traditional financial diligence with this outside firm. They give us a score. We have a score on the Fabric thread count side. We merge those two together, and then we invest in the top decile depending on what we can deploy at that time. So it's a really detailed operational process. It's double diligence because we really want to see what they're doing on the marketing side and can we support, because a lot of times we come in with sweat and cash. And honestly, that's what our investors have been most excited about. I will say I was so honored. I had a conversation with a founder a couple weeks ago who just went through this process. We did not end up writing a check, but they came back to us and told us it was the most detailed and efficient operational process that they had been through on the diligence side, working with any venture firm. And to me, as a first-time GP, that was super meaningful. I felt really proud of myself. And that's been part of the joy in doing this work, is that nobody has really told me how to do this. I have obviously been an LP myself in multiple funds and watched what's kind of standard in the industry, but I get to make this up and do it in the way that I believe is right the first time around, which is really exciting. We think it makes the process more approachable for founders who are diverse, and it brings our unique secret sauce on the marketing side to the table. So that's how we do our diligence process at Fabric.